Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a laptop quick guide of what touchpad can do more than you think. So your laptop touchpad can do a lot more than just move the cursor around. And to this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide to help you unlock the full potential of your touchpads on Windows 11. So the basic touchpad gesture. There are some basic gestures that are commonly supported by most laptops. The first one is tap. Tap once to click, just like this, or double tap for a double click. You can also two finger tap. You can right click just like the right mouse button, and there's also the drag and drop. So you can just tap and hold with one finger while moving to another finger to drag up the items just like this. And then you can also use the advanced multi-finger gestures. So many modern touchpads support multi-finger gestures, and this is how you can use them. You can you can move the fingers up or down to scroll down through pages or website or documents. So just do it like this, up and down. So my laptop isn't supported, so I cannot show you the screen. And you can also use a three-finger swipe if you want to open task view or view all your open windows. You can just move three finger up or swipe just like this. Okay, this is how it looks like. And if you want to move it down, so I'm going to move it down now, and it will look like this. It will close the task view. You can also move it left or right, just like this, to switch between a virtual desktop if you are using them. And there are also four finger swap to open the task view, but it's the same function as the three finger. And you can also minimize all windows by the four finger swipe, just like this. Let's try it. Okay, like that. And the next one, there is a three finger tap, so you can open Cortana or Windows search depending on the settings. You can just click on with three finger, just like this, and it will open the search if it depends on your Windows settings. And if you want to zoom out or zoom in, you can just also pinch your touchpad just like this, and it will zoom in the screen or zoom out. I don't know why it doesn't work here. Okay, like this, you can see it's zooming in, and it can also zoom out. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.